Looking to sell your luxury watch for top dollar? Whether you're ready to upgrade or just need some extra cash, selling a high-end timepiece can be a rewarding experience. Today, we'll explore the best tips and tricks for maximizing your watch's value. First things first, understand the market. Stay updated on current trends for luxury watches. Some brands and models can fluctuate in value based on demand, historical significance, or celebrity endorsements. Research the current market value of your watch. Consider factors like the brand, model, age, condition, and any unique features. Websites, auction results, and industry reports are great resources to understand what similar watches are selling for. Knowing the value of your watch will give you a solid foundation for setting a realistic price and negotiating effectively. Next, ensure your watch is in optimal condition. Have it professionally serviced before selling. A clean, well-maintained watch can significantly increase its value. Keep original parts, packaging, and paperwork. Original parts like the bracelet, clasp, or crystal, even if replaced, should be retained and provided to the buyer. These items add to the watch's authenticity and value. Documentation is crucial. Ensure you have all relevant documentation, including the original box, warranty card, and any service records. These documents establish the watch's authenticity and provenance. Target the right buyers. Focus on selling to buyers who specialize in luxury watches like Wrist Flex Timepieces. These buyers are knowledgeable and willing to pay a premium for high-quality timepieces. Consider selling to buyers who deal in pre-owned or second-hand luxury watches. These buyers are often looking for well-maintained high-end watches and can offer competitive prices. Utilize professional watch selling services that can help you navigate the process from valuation to final sale. Services like Wrist Flex Timepieces offer expertise in selling and can connect you with serious buyers. Set a realistic price based on your research and the condition of your watch. Be prepared to negotiate, but know your bottom line. During negotiations, emphasize the unique features and history of your watch. Whether it's a rare model, limited edition, or in pristine condition, these details can justify a higher price. Stay informed about the latest sales of similar watches. This information can be a powerful tool in negotiations, allowing you to counter low offers with solid data. Choose trusted platforms for selling your watch, whether online or in person. Wrist Flex Timepieces, for example, offers a secure process and trustworthy transactions. Opt for secure payment methods, especially for high-value transactions. Escrow services can provide an extra layer of security, ensuring both parties are satisfied before money changes hands. Selling your luxury watch for top dollar requires preparation, research, and strategic negotiation. With the right approach and trusted partners like Wrist Flex Timepieces, you can confidently navigate the selling process and achieve the best possible outcome. For assistance in buying, selling, or trading your next luxury timepiece, contact us today.